Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cantara if you don't know me, and today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial, the trendy Bella Hadid high pony, and I am freaking living for it. Like, if you go see my Instagram post, then you will definitely see me rocking that hairstyle quite often. If you guys are a fan of this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So first off, I'm just going to start by brushing my hair out. I'm just using this Moroccan oil paddle brush. You can literally use any paddle brush. I have like 50. Next, I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to part my hair where I want the side part to start. So this will be my first part. And then taking that wide tooth comb again and scooping down like that to create this section. So that will be the second part. Now I'm just going to take this like elastic and tie this bit so we can work with the back section. Now I'm just gonna work my hair into a very high pony. Taking my black elastic, I just want to secure the hair now. Next, I'm going to take another hairband and I'm going to tie this pony again, just to give this like some extra height. Now I'm going to take a piece of this ponytail from the back, like a little section. A little bit bigger than that. About that length, that piece. I'm just going to go around the hair ties so that they are covered. Then taking a bobby pin to secure that piece down. For this part, I'm just going to take this brush that I got from Clicks and I'm going to just so I'm just scooping that part behind, as you can see over here. There's that piece. I'm taking it behind and I'm going to secure it with a pin there as well. I like to go in with quite a few like grips at the back, just so that I know it's not gonna come undone. Then normally I like to take the ponytail and just go in with a C motion, just to give it a bit of a tease at the back and bring everything forward and give it a bit more volume. So normally I would take the ends like she has in the picture, take the ends and then like curl it inwards, but because my ends are a bit dry at the moment, I don't want to put them through the most. So I'm going to stop here. I'm just going to get some hairspray and we are going to spray and make sure that this stays in place the whole time. The hairspray that I'm going to be using is the Moroccan Oil Luminous Stronghold hairspray. And that is basically how I get this hairstyle. If you guys like this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are almost on 2,000 subscribers. I'm very excited. And if you guys want more hair tutorials from me, then let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.